Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a complete React.js editor, code editor similar to CodeSandbox or Replit clone. So it has all the frameworks in it can React, Vue.js, Svelte. You basically can select any framework and run the code directly. It's a code compiler IDE similar to VS Code. So as you can see, we are running this application locally right here. It's a complete full stack project. It's developed in React.js. So we are running this project locally, as you can see, npm run dev. So you can select any framework. So let's suppose I select the React framework. So it actually runs a sample React project as it is similar to VS Code, CodeSandbox. So right here, you will make the changes and it will be reflected back. You can select a view project as well. So ready-made view project will be created, and on the right hand side you will be able to create a simple Vue.js project and run the code as it is. So if you need the source code of this project, I have given the link. You can directly purchase the source code. So this is actually the full directory structure of this project. So each and every file is coded directly in TypeScript. Each and every component, as you can see, it's a full project. So once you get the source code, you will be able to see how I coded this and you will be able to make modifications as well. So if I show you the package.json file, you will see we are using the latest version of React here, and it's having full syntax highlighting and npm run dev. So this is the development script. And if you want to deploy this as well, npm run build, this is a script that you will run. So it's a complete code editor having different frameworks, Angular, Vue, React built in. So as soon as you launch this application, from here you can create new files as well. So you can create new files, you can create a new component as well. So it has all the major front-end frameworks. You can run a Svelte application. So without having to install Svelte, you can directly run Svelte directly in browser. So you can just see here all the necessary files are there. You can run this simple Svelte project. So on the right hand side you will make the changes, and you can even download the source code as well by clicking the download button. So it will actually download everything inside. You will see it has downloaded the source code as well. So from here you can change the template here. You can select the view project. So this is actually the view project which has been created instantly. You can change it to Angular as well. So all the major front end frameworks which are there. So you can just see here, you can in a matter of time you can actually, it will save you a lot of time because you no longer need to create projects on the command line. You can directly run these projects on the browser. It's an IDE similar to VS Code, CodeSandbox or Replit. So you can switch between different frameworks. So it has all the templates which are there for different frameworks. So this is the Amber template, as you can see. From here you can switch to any framework. You can see that. So ready-made component, you can also make changes as well. So if you make the changes automatically, as soon as you make the changes automatically, the changes will be reflected back on the right hand side. So you will just see right here, it's an all-in-one code editor, and you can actually, you can just see in a matter of time you will be able to run multiple frameworks, multiple templates. So you can basically switch between different templates, and you can be able to create new files as well. Just name the file and run the code as well. Automatically it will run the code for you. So you can just see here. So this is the hello world example is there. So ready-made app is there, you will see that. So if you want to learn new frameworks, this will be a great application for you. It's a code compiler. It actually runs the code directly without having the IDE. You can directly run the code directly in the browser itself. So this is the complete project. and we are running it on local host, as you can see, npm runtime. So it's easy for you to deploy this as well, so by simply running the command npm run build. So once you purchase the source code, you will automatically get the source code from Google Drive. Automatically the source code will be downloaded, and all these files are, as you can see, are coded directly in TypeScript, so it's fully customizable. You will be able to actually change the source code as well. So you can actually select any template here. It can be svelte, solid. You can just see here, as soon as you change the template, instantly that changes have been reflected back, and you will be able to run the project. So all the syntax highlighting is also there. As soon as you change the template, automatically all the syntax highlighting, as you also can see, it's a complete code editor which having all the features. You can open the preview in a new tab as well. You can download the source code as well. You can just see here. And if you still face any issues after payment, you can contact me in running or deploying the project. So it's, you can see it has all the frameworks templates built in. So I coded this project from scratch. So each and every file is customizable. So you can actually go to the file and change the source code. You can click this button to format the code, and automatically the live preview will be shown. You will also be able to run the project instantly directly in the browser itself. So it will save you a lot of time, because for very few simple projects you no longer need to create a new project in the command line. Rather than, you can simply run the project directly in the browser. So it's an all-in-one IDE similar to VS Code, CodeSandbox, and Replit, and it's completely free, as it doesn't use any paid subscription API key. So it's, I completely built it from scratch. So I've used open source libraries for building this project. So as you can see, all these dependencies we have used. So if you're interested, the link is given in the description. You can check out.